Creepy warning. Yeah, you might not want to watch this. Well, if you like being creepy, then you can watch this. Well, not like being creepy. Like if you like watch stuff creepy, like watching creepy stuff, then yeah. So first we're gonna start with Greek. And this is based off the scariness. 4 out of 10? Okay, look. Right now it's not even scary. Really? Can you please try harder? Whoever made that alarm.
This is one of those alarms that would haunt me in my dreams. Like, I heard that in my dream, and then, like, everything just goes black, and then I just see a smiler from the back rooms just sitting there across the hall from me.
10 out of 10. This is so scary.
This is one of those nightmares where everything just goes pitch black, and you see somebody's face just glowing up. That's what this reminds me of.
French. Dude, stop cursing at me. Bro, are you gonna stop? Okay, that was funny.
That was 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10.
They weren't even trying. If I heard that when I was sleeping, I would have just been like, huh? Is it time to get up?
Stop cursing at me.
Is my alarm cursing at me?
Oh, this is the back rooms, right? This is something from the back rooms, right?
No. Honestly, this one scares me a lot.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
It's pretty scary just because like that sound just makes it scary.
20 out of 10! Oh my gosh! They went all out for Italian. What the heck? Okay.
No, stop joking.
2 out of 10. Literally,
it's just a police car.
Exactly.
I mean, would you be scared if you just heard a police car outside while you were sleeping?
That is way more friendly than this. Like, what? Okay. That was 2 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
This is the type of crap that would play when you have to beat everybody to a base before it shuts. That's the type of stuff that would play.
This reminds me of like Super Smash Remix. Like if you need to unlock a character.
Oh yeah, it does.
And what is so scary is that
What did you rate this again?
What?
What did you rate this again?
5 out of 10.
On scariness, that's probably like a 2 out of 10.
And it's scary only because like it instantly goes like that. You hear that? Like it doesn't do what the Japanese does. It stops. Australian. Automatically a question mark out of 10.
Hear that? What the? Did somebody just say hear that? 10 out of 10. Why are you talking in the middle of this? 1 out of 10. Why would you even do this? Like,
it sounds like a office.
Yes. This is the only thing you would hear when you're in an office. I mean, that game on the Nintendo Switch is way scarier when it says, "Get out."
Anyways, this is a 0 out of 10. I wouldn't even be alarmed. If I woke up, it wouldn't be as scary as Jack.
Next!
That sounds
out of 10. That's just a computer crash.
That sounds like Rob. Like if you went in the water.
Literally.
And Link
That's literally just a computer that got thrown in the water.
I rate that as 0 out of 10 too. Like,
oh no, it's 0. Yeah, it really 0. It's just a broken computer, not a computer that got thrown in the water.
Out of 10. Car.
That's a car out of 10.
Car.
No, okay, if we had to rate this actual number, it's a 0 out of 10. Pathetic! Whoever made that, 0 points.
Oh god.
Just beeping, really?
8 out of 10. It's because the other, like, it would be fine if I just beep, but like without that low pitch one. But it's the low pitch one. It's an 8 out of 10 because honestly,
I'm not gonna lie, I would be okay. No, I rate this like a 5 out of 10.
I'm tempted and half terrified.
I rate this like a 3 out of 10. It's literally just me getting up from an alarm clock.
Swedish. That's really pathetic. 0 out of 10.
I rate this a 1 out of 10. They're barely trying.
This is the same thing as a US.
Okay. Rip off out of 10. And if I have to actually rate it a number, 2 out of 10. Great rip off.
1,000,000 out of 10.
Steal your soul out of 10. These people want you to come to their country so the devil can come out of nowhere, grab your soul and pull it right down.
Like Cuphead.
Yeah.
Alright, this is a 0 out of 10. Good remix though.
Yeah, this one's a 0 out of 10. Undertale? Is it Gaster? Gaster's game?
Okay, if it didn't have that other, like, if it didn't have this, like, other part, then it would be, like, perfect, but they had to ruin the alarm.
Great remix, though.
Mexican.
This just reminds me of Earthbound when the police drive by you.
3 out of 10.
2 out of 10. Pathetic. Try a bit harder, please.
I guess they really did. 8 out of 10. Have we ever rated one as 7 or 6 out of 10?
I don't think. That one was an 8 out of 10 too.
They're counting down from 1 minute. This is the scariest part.
Okay. So, why are you talking in the middle of this?
It's a countdown.
You don't have to count me down. I can count down myself. I don't go 5, 6, 100, 2 million. I know how to count.
Wait, is that racist?
No.
Oh.
Telling other people I know how to count.
Chinese people, Caden?
Bryce, shut up.
Okay.
I'm not being racist.
Okay, fine.
Being racist is like saying Chinese people are the worst. That's being racist. Sounds like somebody just ripped their butthole open by taking a huge fart.
4 out of 10.
Yeah, 4 out of 10. It just sounds like somebody...
I didn't know somebody was agreeing with me over here. Oh, that was you when you needed to go poop yesterday.
this is like a 2 out of 10.
What's a 1 out of 10 for me? Brazil. Oh my god.
Yo, did somebody turn on their machine in the middle of this broadcast or something? Who turned on their machine? Who did this? Who made it? Who turned on their machine to make this?
What if we turned on our fan and the only thing we heard was this?
Oh, that's kind of like, it's either somebody screaming, a machine, or a fan. One of those.
It's 1 out of 10. That kind of looks like regular.
It's 3 out of 10. I've heard sirens before.
8 out of 10. Wait, no, 6 out of 10. It's not really that scary.
3 out of 10.
Unless we saw a mouse in our floor again. Then that'll be scary.
3 out of 10.
Portuguese. Oh no.
That one part that just goes just makes the whole thing funny. This part. That's the only part that makes it funny. So it's a funny out of 10 and an actual rating 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10 too. Oh, 10 out of 10. I've never seen something so scary in my life. Except for that one time somebody ripped their butt open. EAS alarm.
I've never seen something so horrifying other than a machine that's supposed to grab your pee-pee and hold your pee-pee so you could pee directly into the toilet. And it just says it also helps you shake it off too. And it literally just goes and springs your thing everywhere. Like, what if it's only a thing type 2, so it's just gonna play you, or maybe even rip it off.
What if it was what if it was holding one, and then it went in the toilet perfectly fine, and then went in the bathtub.
That would be bad funny, bro. And then there's another device when somebody goes poops. They're supposed to sit on the device like this. Then it just goes, it just rips it open. It's horrifying. I seen that on TikTok and I was like,
creepy. Is that chilly? 10 out of 10.
You hear the people screaming about it. Yeah, this thing I think also wants to steal your soul, but could it? 9 out of 10.
Talking in the background is a 2 out of 10. But without the talking, it's like 4 out of 10.
Yeah, 4 out of 10. I've heard sirens before. 2 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
Try harder.
Oh boy. They did on this one. Sounds like Slender Man.
Which one is the one that they ripped the siren head off of?
I think it was New Zealand. Alright. Yeah, that's what I learned it off of.
Yeah, this is like just 0 out of 10. I've heard beeping before.
Indian. That beginning, what was that?
Yo, where's my phone? I swear somebody's calling me. Bro, I don't have my phone on me. What if it's in my pants?
What if it's up beside my butt?
What if it's in my mouth? feel it. It's not in my mouth.
Oh wait, I forgot. There was something in my mouth, and it was coming from somewhere really inappropriate. You win.
10 out of 10.
10.
This sounds like if the devil is just about to steal your soul. And that screaming in the background, is that a girl that's getting kidnapped?
It sounds like a zombie apocalypse. Sounds like a zombie apocalypse if you, especially Australia.
Next!
Dutch.
Vacuum out of 10. And a 1 out of 10.
Okay, 1 out of 10. If I really have to rate it.
Hurry up.
Okay. Church? Is that a church?
Piano out of 10?
What?
Piano out of 10?
What does piano mean? Okay, that got really. Alright.
0 out of 10.
That's a 0 out of 10 too.
Who was talking in the background? Oh, the only thing I heard was, oop, awesome, and do it these. I was literally shaking my head no, saying, do not say that.
I don't know, but I read
Who's talking during the podcast?
2 out of 10. Sounds like a car when it sounds like a Fortnite car when it's like running low.
Fortnite out of 10.
6 out of 10.
0 out of 10. No, 0 out of 10.
You know, I said Fortnite car because I'm actually scared of Fortnite cars.
0 out of 10. I've heard a car start before.
Is that a missile in the background?
This sounds like if there were just going to be a missile that was going to explode your country.
Like in there.
That was quite funny though. Let's see. 7 out of 10.
6.
Who was talking in the broadcast?
Alright, we got a couple more.
We still didn't even rank the other two.
Oh. This one? Well, that's 7 out of 8. Ukraine. I'll say a 9 out of 10. Let me put 9 out of 10 in the chat. Nine out of 10, scary. Alright, I put 9 out of 10. What do you think?
Out of 10. Zero out of 10.
0 out of 10.
Lame.
Sounds like a bootleg Starhead. Swiss.
I heard a real vacuum now.
Hold up. What was I gonna say? I heard an ambulance before. Like, you really don't gotta take an ambulance's car and, like, kidnap it. Okay, I'm done.
5 out of 10.
0 out of 10.
Scream out of 10.
Got 2 more. I say 4 out of 10 because, you know, like, why not?
Elevator out of 10.
Okay.
You can go outside, I can't see you screaming in the background. No, laughing.
I think somebody was crying.
Who was laughing during the broadcast or crying? 3 out of 10.
2 out of 10. This is the last one, guys. That's wanna be.
That's a real broken computer out of 10? No, it's kind of like a 9.
Let me look up some more EAS alarms. Just to, see how everybody's doing with the, I gotta fart again. Oh, USA, I think.
Everybody starts with USA.
Canada. Oh, God.
Please help me!
I'm sorry for that jump scare.
I'm about to choke you out right now.
I'm sorry. Jeez.
Stop!
No.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You're embarrassing yourself in front of the viewers. How do you feel?
So, what do you want to do today?
Let's do something fun.
Yeah, dude, let's have deep conversations and learn more about each other.
Yeah, let's go outside and get some fresh air.
Yeah, let's enjoy life. Yeah, I love TikTok. It's really funny. Should I make a TikTok?
Nah.
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm on Facebook.
Facebook? You still have Facebook?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ugh, look at this. My mom shared this stupid chain letter. If you do not share this post within 30 seconds, a ghost will follow you for
6 years. Wow, I can't believe everybody's gonna. Know what? Matter of fact, let me like the video.
For 6 years.
Oh, share it, Cody!
Well, duh, Junior, I'm not stupid. I don't want a ghost following me.
Yeah, ghosts would be scary. I'm gonna go on Facebook. Oh, Cody, I just saw the post you shared. Now I have to share it so I don't have a ghost following me.
Yeah, you better share it quick.
Dude, what's this post about a stupid ghost? Oh, you have to share it, Joseph, or a ghost will follow you for 6 years.
Dude, I'm not scared. I don't even believe in ghosts. Why would it follow me for 6 years? Well, no, Joseph, it's real. That's why so many people keep...
Oh my god. Why Bowser Jr.? Why Bowser Jr.? Why Tails? Why Bowser Jr. and why Tails?
That's the end of the video, guys. Because
And you better go upload it right now.
you're uploading it. If
Okay,
you're not
fine.
uploading it, then give me it.
Okay, fine.
Bye, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Oh man, Nano.